going to put all our strawberries. Also, I'm gonna add a bit of, it's like a coconut sugar, organic coconut sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit. Like this. Or some chia seed. A lot of chia seed. And we have some organic hearts. This is a lot of protein. Very good source of protein, and I believe omega. And so yeah, a lot of them. And then we mix. Okay, so then take this. Okay. So I'm using silk today, plant-based coconut. So this one is not unsweetened. So we're gonna pour all of it in this, and I have a little bite. So we're gonna mix all this mixture of the yogurt, the chia seed. I'm really not little tray. Pour it here, just like that. Okay. Et me revoilà pour ne pas me salir avec tout ce chocolat. Donc, so I just, basically it's very simple. We pour the mixture in this little tray, and I'm just doing 6 of them today. 6 little bites, strawberry yogurt bites that are very healthy, and I'll try to do them equal. Voilà. And look what I got. Some supreme chicken. If you have a craving of chicken wings and you're vegan, this is very good alternative. So yeah, this is the best mixed here. Mangoes, banana. Oh my god. So for the chocolate, this is my little trick here. My kitchen is all creamy, more like translucent, more easy to coat on the yogurt strawberry snack. So, because we're gonna melt the chocolate to cover it after they're done, after 1 hour, and they're hard and completely freezed. Et voilà. I'm a big fan of coconut. I feel like it's even better than the regular milk. So I already pour my little chocolate. So 6 pieces of salt dark chocolate, 70% dark chocolate goes in the pan. And then we're gonna add like 3 spoons hot chocolate, and I feel it could be very good to have this. It's like a little boost So it's the alchemy enhancing blend. So, and drinking coffee, because I don't drink coffee. What I have in the morning actually is a glass of water. And I have here my like green smoothie with spirulina, sea moss, fruits, celery, vegetables, but mostly water when I wake up, because caffeine is not good for you on the long term. This is what's gonna make you age faster. So I think this is a good option if you want to stop having coffee. Alchemy mushroom boosts your coffee or favorite drink. World's most legendary, superb, and mushroom, caffeine free. So there's no caffeine. So I guess it's perfect to add this to our strawberry yogurt bites. Why not? Mixed with the chocolate, I think it's gonna be us to become the best version of ourselves, because I just started to work out again the last 2 days. So, and then we're gonna add, this one is a superfood. This is the Rishi hot cacao. There's a bit of cinnamon. It's with plants. A little bit of caffeine. So yeah, it's pretty good. Cacao is so good for you. So this is the Blom hot chocolate. So it can be very good to add to the chocolate mixture. So we're gonna add a little bit of these. But I really made my way up and really slowly became vegan. Mostly like some years, like during my spiritual awakening, I did like a full 1 year with no dairy, nothing, no cheese, no seafood, also no seafood, because seafood was really, this is just cacao, by the way, just simple cacao, just a little bit. Because, by the way, seafood, lobster was very hard for me to stop. I feel in my mind was kind of a bit less than meat. Like I feel like the treatment maybe is less, or maybe they're not as intelligent, but I think I'm very wrong. But now I see them in like little aquarium in a restaurant. I'm not saying I don't eat them, never. I'm mostly vegan, but I just saw them in the aquarium and I was like, ew, that's not for me. So, but mostly I would tell you, like sometimes I have Parmesan cheese. Like now I'm gonna make a salad, a Caesar salad, with like a bit of Parmesan cheese, but there's no lactose in it. This is what I've read, like there's no lactose in the Parmesan, but anyways. And sometimes when I go to restaurants, mostly, that's when sometimes I can taste some seafood and some cheese a little bit, but there's never meat involved. And at my house, when I do my grocery, the only thing that I will get that is not vegan would be a Parmesan cheese, because the vegan one is absolutely disgusting. And I love my pasta. Milk, it's oat milk barista, so I love this one. So we're just gonna add the rest of it like this. And then I'm not gonna start right away because it's still 1 hour, but I'll just prepare all the chocolate right away. It's gonna be divine. And also I have to tell you, so this is not the right container, but this is Celtic salt. So what I read is actually the best salt for you, Celtic salt. So this is how you write it down. Celtic salt, I put 1 pinch under my tongue before having my alkaline water machine right here that I got and I bought 2 years ago. Now it's also my work. I have this website where you can invest in that. And so I have this water, pinch of Celtic salt, magnesium under your tongue before you have 1 glass of water, because that way what I read is that the water will be able to absorb better in your body. So you will have more hydration with the magnesium, the salt before each glass of water. So you could start trying. And when I do my fast, I always take a pinch of salt and I have my glass of water afterwards. So what I'm gonna do, because salt is actually good for you. The enemy is sugar. So a pinch of salt in our mixture, just a little bit, not so much because we are going to add a little pinch on top of the melted chocolate before it goes. Hours later, looks like little poops, but I'm sure it's very good. So let's remove this one. Just try to remove it from the, try one. There we go. Let's have a plate. Let's have just this. Okay, so moment of truth. So, to be honest, it's kind of exceptional, but I do not recommend people to do it frozen. I feel like the mist could be better as a pudding or something like this, like in the fridge, a little pudding with the strawberries, with everything. I think it would be the best result because it's not a good consistency to be eaten frozen.